Good morning everyone. We are going to go freediving and spearfishing. We met a guy online called Andre. He knows this area quite well and he's going to take us out over the back out there to a drop off where hopefully we find some sharks, snapper. What else are we going to find there, Elayna? Grouper, jacks, tuna. Yeah. We're going to take the mothership over there. We're actually going to anchor on the edge of the ledge so we can just dive down from there. That's the plan anyway. We'll see how we go.
It's summertime and living is easy.
So here we are on the island of Nassau, Bahamas. This place really took us by surprise. We're usually not fans of the more built-up islands, but we found a lot of beauty here. In fact, one of the best coral reefs we've seen in the whole of the Caribbean was only a short dinghy ride away from our anchorage. We'd been delaying our departure to some other islands north for days now. Hello!
Welcome aboard!
Hey, welcome. This is the Vagabond.
Nice.
Yeah, mate, how you going? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
And who have we got here? What are my shoes doing on that roof? Alright. Thank you.
Andre Musgrove from Nassau, Bahamas. I'm an underwater photographer, freediver, scuba instructor, spear fisherman, stuff in the water. I try to focus on creative concepts underwater to bring the voice to ocean conservation and especially focusing on sharks. Glad to be here.
Pulling up the anchor.
The window's open, the doctor's in, the sky's the limit, but the air is thin. Tell myself I'll get up when the daffodils bloom. But they've come and gone, petals falling, and I haven't left my living room. You can get lower than the ground, but you can roll around for a long time. Is it a big black hearse or limousine?
So we just dropped anchor and there is a long wall along here where we're going to drift dive. And apparently there's a statue here that is 20 feet tall, but I'm gonna ask. Hey Andre, how big is the statue?
20 feet tall.
Can everyone wave hello to me?
Hello.
1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe I'm just a guy who's trying to get by. Maybe I'm just a man who's trying to fly. But I've been stuck in a hole for most of my days.
The shark is starboard side.
Trying to get out before it turns to my grave. I'm just trying to get my shit together, cause I don't wanna be alone. So save me from this raging storm and sea, girl, cause I don't know if I can make it.
That's a river!
I need you to get me to my feet, girl, cause your love is what I need if I wanna survive.
So the boys Riley got a Nassau grouper and Andre got a gigantic hogfish and a lionfish. Yeah, huge, the biggest hogfish we've seen yet. Is that the biggest hogfish you said you shot?
I can say that, yeah.
Amazing.
I can say that.
It's beautiful. We're just eating some chips. Refilling.
That woman's a general, you know. She spreads Cold War propaganda around town. If you
The boys are taking care of the fish and the crayfish, and Riley also got a crab, but I'm just frying up some hogfish and some leftover mutton snapper from the other day because we still got so much of that, so it's going to be a good lunch. And I've saved myself for a week now so I can eat some more fish, so this is my day of eating fish and I'm really pumped. Oh yeah. Hogfish is going to be my favourite at the moment, and Nassau grouper. I love the colour of the meat and the texture, it's fantastic. When you're done?
We're just going over here. There's Andre told us about the biggest underwater statue.
There's an underwater statue here. It's the largest one in the world. It's about 20 feet tall and about 25 feet of water. It's a statue of the girl holding up the ocean like this. So in theory, when the tide's low, the ocean would be resting on her hand. And it was put there by a conservation community here called Brief. They did it to kind of encourage marine tourism and ecotourism for people to come here, see it, and for it to become like an artificial reef.
Loosened heart couldn't take the fall. Worried thoughts that you lose it all. Would it ever go? Darkness comes when you're left alone. Faded style with a soft glow. Would it ever grow? Breathing fast in your soft lungs. Worry hurts when you're still young. Did you ever hear all my night calls echoing out through the gold halls?
It was a smarty pants.
Oh, I was?
What happened? Don't you get vinegar all over my boat?
You know, in Ow!
You're right, babe.
That's from lobster.
Jeez, you are cut up today.
You know,
You're a naughty boy.
what's the name? Shooter with Mark Wahlberg, and he's got a big gaping wound, and he rips open the. Does he pour gunpowder in it? And
I
just
don't
goes,
remember. What happened?
That's what's happening. I got shot. No, I got stung by fire coral, and I squealed.
Did you?
No.
Do you want me to put that on a paper towel and then you can stab yourself?
Yeah, I don't know. There's a spot there that needs it.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Andre's leaving us. And there is like an infestation of flies at the back of the boat here. We've still got the dead carcass that Riley's going to use for chum, and also the mushed up lobster. And it stinks.
Just be careful where you use the hogfish, because I just bring sharks.
Yeah. Did you have a good day?
Yeah, we went spearfishing. We can't get better than that. Spearfishing and we got something, basically.
Alright, well thanks for showing us all these spots.
No problem. That wasn't all the spots.
Well, there'll have to be another time then.
Yeah. Thank you for having me.
No worries. So, Stefan's decided to go to the pub this afternoon, and Andre's obviously left. Just wanted to say cheers, Andre, for an awesome day, showing us all your cool spots. And yeah, it's just Riley and I in the boat. We're going to cook up a lobster pasta. That's what I've decided on. So I'm going to boil the lobster and cook the pasta. That should be really good. Having a chilled out afternoon. What are you up to, Ralphs?
Writing down a few places we can go, like hurricane holes and stuff like that.
Okay. You going to help me with dinner? You don't have to.
Okay.
You got the lobster.
Busy working. Spaghetti marinara, tall garlic bread. This is amazing.
Does it need anything?
No.
Chili sauce?
No,
I don't put chili sauce.
it's incredible.
Sriracha. This is the best chili sauce in the world.
People pay good money for this at restaurants.
I do.
Fools.
Hell yeah. How does chili sauce just make everything so much better?
You didn't say that last night.
Oh yeah, you overdid that chili. You put chili sauce in with chili veggie mince. That was already so hot. Alright, we're gonna,
I'd love to chat, guys, but
gotta eat. And I'm sure you don't want to watch us eat this whole bowl of pasta. Thanks for watching. Please give the video a like and, subscribe.
Loosened heart couldn't take the fall. Worried thoughts that you lose it all.